everyone, here we are again with another session of Voices and Visions. Voices and Visions is an interview series which is started by our club Learn and Lead, and here we aim to provide our students a supportive environment where they can be engaged in meaningful conversations. This interview is a precursor to their future interviews, be it for career opportunities, academic pursuits, or personal endeavors. And today we have our two guests here, Bhavya and Arnav. They both are very naughty. And today they are willing to share their thoughts, their ideas, their visions, and what they want to do in future with all of us. So join me to welcome my two little guests, Bhavya and Arnav. So how are you, Bhavya? How are you feeling today?
I am fine, and I am feeling little bit nervous and confident. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Why are you nervous? Don't be nervous. Be comfortable. Okay? How are you, Arnav?
I am also fine. I am excited that this will be my first interview.
Yeah, this is your first interview, so stay excited. Okay? So shall we start this? Shall I ask first question? Who wants to give me first answer?
My career.
Both? Yeah, see how excited you are. Why are you saying that you are nervous? Okay. So tell me something about you, Bhavya.
I myself Bhavya Jain, and I am 11 years old. I am from Nursery International School, Dibrugarh. I live in Red Cross Road, Gram Bazaar near Sani Mandir.
Okay. And what about you, Arnav? Tell me something about you.
My name is Arnav Jain. I read in class 4. I study in Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. I am 10 years old and my hobby is playing, reading books, etc.
And talking a lot, disturbing the entire class. That's what we do in my class as well. This is also your hobby, not so?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me something about your families.
The first thing.
Anyone? Yes, you tell me.
I belong to a joint family. There are 13 members in my family. They are very supportive. They all love me and I love them too.
Aha. So you live in a joint family?
Yeah.
You enjoy a lot?
Yeah.
You annoy your parents a lot? Yeah?
Yeah.
Because you're very naughty. Yes,
I
Bhavya?
also from a joint family. In my family there are 8 members. My mother is housewife and my father is a businessman. I have a cousin brother, my grandmother, my grandfather, and uncle and aunt.
Oh, so you enjoy with your cousin brother?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. Cousins are our first friends, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So one thing you like the most about yourself, what is it?
The thing I like more about myself is reading books and helping others, and I am an enjoyable person.
Helping others. Okay. You help other people?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, have you helped anyone?
Well, yeah.
Yeah?
And Tanvir,
Okay. Your friends. Okay.
Yes.
How? By giving them notes?
well, not in the test. I helped him. He also helped me. I also helped him.
That's what you do in school. Your teachers are watching, okay? So this video is going to be watched by your teachers as well. So
Okay.
you know, make sure what you are speaking. Okay. So Arnav, you tell me, what is the one thing you like most about yourself?
Well, there are so many things that I like about myself, but one of the most is I am a curious person. I am keen to know of every answers of different questions, and I daily ask many questions to my friends, parents, teachers, and my friends and my friends always scolding me for this habit.
Even I scold you for this habit. You ask me a lot of no. I don't scold you for reasonable questions, but sometimes you ask unreasonable questions as well. But it's good that you are a very curious child. You love to know a lot about this world, about everything. That's very good habit, I think. Okay, Arnav, can you give us a little idea about your goals? What do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a cricketer in future. I am also want to become a proud citizen of my country.
Okay, nice. And you, Bhavya?
My dream is to become a cricketer, and my goal is to become a businessman. If I could not become a cricketer, then I will try my best to become a businessman.
So you have opted two choices, like you want to become a cricketer, and then if not cricketer, then a businessman. Okay, because your father is a businessman, you want to support him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea, I would say. But If you want to become a cricketer, work hard for it. What you guys are doing to achieve your goals?
I am practicing it every day. As soon I will cricket coaching also.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni. What do you like the most about MS Dhoni?
I like the helicopter shot about MS Dhoni.
And you? Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma. Okay. What do you like the most about Rohit Sharma?
His full shot is the most annoying full shot in the world.
And what?
So the world's best full shot in the world.
Okay. Nice, nice. All right. So my next question to you is, tell me something about, you guys are friends?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So tell me something about your friends. How many friends do you have? Lots or just a little bit?
I am little bit friends.
Little, a handful of friends you have. Okay. So tell me something about your friends.
I have around 6 to 7 friends. My friends are very supportive and I like their companies. But the most I like is Pratyush Day. He always supports me in everything and he crack a lot of jokes with me.
Okay. So Pratyush, are you listening? He's taking your name. You are his best friend. Yeah?
I hope he is listening.
Yeah, he will. You, Bhavya, you tell me about your friends.
I have many friends like Tanvir, Teeth, Ayan, Emseng, etc. They all are helpful. They all talk with me. They all pay, and they are gentle also.
Gentle also. Okay. Friends are like that only. You can have fun together. You can have party together. You can fight. Then again, you love each other. Yeah? Okay. So my next question to you, Arnav. One thing you want to change about the world, if I give you a chance to change anything in the world, what it would be?
If I get a chance to change anything in the world, I will change some rules of streets, and I put bins on streets. So because people will throw garbages on bins, not here and there, and it is very important.
Very important, yes. To keep our surroundings clean is very important. So, guys, it's a good message he is giving. Please do not litter around. Arnav doesn't like it at all. Yeah, he's going to change it. Yeah, okay, Arnav. I'm sure you are going to take one step. I think people will follow you. Yeah. So say to the people, do not litter around. Say.
Do not litter around.
Yes, very good. So Arnav, Bhavya, now you tell me, if you could invent something, what it would be?
The thing I want to invent in the world is a flying car. A
Flying car. Okay.
Because everyone use aeroplane to go anywhere in the world. But I will be the one who will use a car that can fly. It will take 2 wings and as it is car.
Okay, as it is like car, but it will be having extra wings. So this is how you want to design it? So
It can fly also.
a cricketer wants to build a flying car. Okay.
That I can go to anywhere in the world.
Okay, for that you have to study engineering. You know that?
Yes.
Okay. So you are now what you want to invent if I give you a chance?
I would invent a bullet train which can travel to any countries, and it will take very less cost, so poor people can also travel, earn very less time.
Oh, what a nice thought. You want to work for the poor people.
Yeah.
You want to make it pocket friendly for everyone, that everyone could travel.
And those who have no money then there will be free.
Okay, you make it free for a lot of people. Yeah? Those who are
poor
not able to
people.
pay.
Yeah.
Oh, what a nice thought. You have such, pure, nice intentions. Yeah, okay, my next question to you is, you want to become successful, both of you? We all want to become successful in life, yeah? So what is your definition of success?
For me, success is multifaceted concept that can be that depends on our future. It is a perspective, and for me, success is happiness.
For you, success is happiness, of course. If you are not happy with what you have, you will never be successful. Okay? Whatever little or more or big or small you have, you need to be successful. Like you need to be happy with that, and only then you will become successful. Yeah, it is like being content is a success. Yeah, you tell me, what about according to you is success?
According to me, success all work is success. But if you work with good intentions and happily, then only we can achieve them.
Of course. Again, happiness is success.
Yeah.
That's what you both mean to say. Happiness is success.
Yeah.
You guys are happy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah? That means you're successful already?
And excited also.
Excited, yeah. Okay. This is for Arnav. Arnav, what is the best advice? Oh, okay. If you could create a new invention, that's what you have answered me, right? So, what is something that makes you feel happy and proud of yourself?
Well, there are so many things that that makes me happy and proud of myself. But most is I can learn hard answers easily, and I can handle time management, how to handle the time, and what the time is for playing, and
You want to
studying.
manage time. Okay. You want to be organized
Yeah.
with what you are doing.
Yeah.
All right, that's a good thing. We all must learn time management. It's very important part. Very important. Wherever you reach in your life, if you're not managing your time properly, then it will never work. So if you want to become really successful, then you need to learn this art very nice from right now onwards. From now onwards, okay. So yes, try to manage your time properly. It's a very good thing you want to bring in your life. Yeah. So, Bhavya, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you like to go?
In the world, I would like to go to Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes.
Okay,
There
why?
is the world's tallest monument in the world, and many places. And I would also like to go to Scotland because there is Hogwarts, where the Harry Potter movie designed.
Okay, have you watched Harry Potter?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the best, like, who was the best character you loved in Harry Potter?
Firstly, the Harry Potter, and second, Dumbledore.
Okay, nice. You have watched all the series of Harry Potter?
Yes, ma'am.
You love it? Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Bhavya, tell me, it's for you. What makes you feel happy and proud of yourself?
Listening music makes me happy and feel makes me happy. The songs, the music and songs that are fast and that have beat makes me happy. The thing that makes me proud is learning book and reading answers. Learning answers easily.
Okay, that makes you feel proud that you can learn long answers easily. Okay, but Bhavya, my suggestion to you is, if you rather than learning the answer, understand the concept. If you'll understand the concept, you'll be able to write the answers, easily without even learning it, because you understand the basic concept of the questions. Okay, so from now onwards, start understanding the concept. It's a nice thing that you can learn everything easily. Yeah, and I'm proud of yourself for that, on you for that. Okay, now you, Arnav, tell me. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where it would be?
If I travel anywhere in the world, I would choose to travel USA.
USA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Why USA?
because it is a technologically developed country. I want to see those skyscrapers, and I also want to observe the lifestyle of people and their culture. And I feel it very beautiful. It is very beautiful country.
Of course, it is very beautiful. So you want to see the lifestyle, how the Americans live,
Yeah.
what do they do, how the skyscrapers look. So you want to go there and watch all of these things.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. And what other thing you are grateful for right now?
I am grateful to God for this beautiful life. He has given me a lovable family, supportive and loving parents, teachers, friends, and siblings. I feel blessed in many ways, so that's why I am thankful to God.
Okay, I'm so happy to listen to your answers. Like, you guys feel blessed. This is a blessing. A lot of people do not even feel blessed. You have a nice house, you have 3 meals food, you have proper clothes to wear, you can educate yourself. So these all things are blessings only. A lot of people do not have these things, and if you feel blessed, that means you have done it, you have achieved it already. Okay? Now, Bhavya, to you, my question is, what is something you are grateful in life for?
The thing I am grateful to God that He gave me a beautiful and neat, big and a big family, and and my friends, and the ability to learn the answers easily.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, now we have a rapid fire round. Okay, for both of you, I'll be asking a few questions from both of you. You need to choose one option. I'll give you two options. Who is going to answer me first?
Okay.
You?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So this is for you. What is the capital of France?
Paris.
I didn't give you any options, but although you knew it already. Intelligent. So which planet is known as a red planet? Earth or Mars?
Mars.
Now this is for you. Who painted the famous painting The Starry Night? Leonardo da Vinci or Vincent van Gogh?
Leonardo da Vinci.
No.
Yes. No.
It's Vincent van Gogh. Which Bollywood actor is known as a King Khan? This is for you. Is it Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan?
Salman Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Yes.
So easy question.
It's for you.
Nah.
Who played the role of Harry Potter in the movies? Daniel Radcliffe or Robert Pattinson?
Robert Pattinson.
Daniel Radcliffe.
No.
Okay. Now this is for you, Bhavya. Which music groups' original members were John, Paul, George and Pat? The Rolling Stones or the Beatles? The Rolling Stones or the Beatles? Which music? Yeah, Beatles. The Beatles. This is for you, Arnav. Who is the only tennis player to achieve a Golden Slam? Steffi Graf or Serena Williams?
Steffi Graf.
This is for you. You love cricket?
Yes.
Who is the god of cricket?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin.
Easy.
Easy, yeah. Okay. What starts with an E, ends with an E, but only contains one letter? Envelope or email?
Envelope.
What is always coming but never arrives?
Time.
Tomorrow or yesterday? Two options.
Yesterday.
Tomorrow. What is always coming but never arrives?
Oh.
वो आता है but आता नहीं है. Okay. What is a process called when plants make their own food? Photosynthesis, yes. What is the largest living structure on Earth? The Great Barrier Reef or the Amazon rainforest?
The Great Barrier Reef.
The Great Barrier Reef. This is for you. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but give me a smile, I'll smile right back. Mirror or an egg?
Mirror.
Mirror, yes. Now this is for you. What is the next letter in the sequence? Okay. O, T, T, F, F. Now what is the next letter? Is it S or 6?
So what was the letter?
O, sequence, it's a sequence. O, T, T, F, F. Option A is S or option B is 6.
F.
It's 6 because there are 5 already given in the sequence. The letter will be 6th one, so it's 6. Okay, I'll make you understand later. Okay, if you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What it is?
Option.
A secret or a gift? If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. Is it a secret or gift?
Secret.
Secret, yes. Okay, very nice. So we have 2 books for you, and this Little Prince book for this little prince. Okay, I'm sure you're going to read it. Read it, okay? And this, The Swiss Family Robinson by John David Swiss. This is for you.
Thank you.
All right, and I have cups for you as well. That's there. I'll give you. For you, this is for you. Arnav, A for Arnav. Yeah, this is for you. P for Bhavya. Okay. Okay, with this we wrap up this session here now, and with the promise to meet you again very soon with another guest. Okay, bye bye. Take care, everyone. Bye.